Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. Today I'm going to take you through the installation and the removal of the choke tubes from the Ruger Red Label 3. Now, the Red Label 3 comes with 5 choke tubes. 2 of them are already installed. The open or cylinder choke tube is in the bottom, and the improved cylinder is in the top. Now, you will also get a modified, an improved modified, and a full choke. Each choke has the constriction labeled right on the choke tube itself. Now, to remove the choke tubes, the firearm comes with a choke tube wrench. All you do is set it in to where the notches engage with the notches in the choke tubes, and you give it a turn. Once you get it to a certain level, you can just take it out with your hands. Now, installation is exactly the same way. If the gun needs to be cleaned, you need to clean the threads on the choke tubes as well and oil them lightly before you put it back in. Now, you tighten it, but don't tighten it so hard that you're not going to be able to get it back out. Give it a good hand tighten, and that's about it. Now, never shoot this gun without choke tubes in it. And you can shoot slugs out of it, but you need to use an open choke. Thank you for watching Tech Tips. If you need more information, go to Ruger.com.